Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to here, then I introduce myself Preeti Goyal, and you're watching RTC. So guys, this channel is all about art. What I practice in my daily life, I just make videos and upload here. If you enjoy and if you like my art skills, then do not forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for channel updates. So guys, in this video I am going to make a cartoon character, you can say animation character. So guys, if you enjoy my video and if you like my art skills, then give a thumbs up button, share with your friends and also comment down below. Comment your opinion and also suggest me that what I have to draw next and how can I improve my drawing skills. I need your support and I hope you will be supporting me. And also one more thing guys, I have an Instagram ID which name is Preeti Goyal Art Live. So if you want to see my art pictures, then you can go there and follow me there. Also I have a Facebook page which name is RTC. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start the video.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, we were moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, we were moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. The breath that we're taking, the first step, you're falling in love. The move that we make it. The breath that we're taking, the first step, you're falling in love. The move that we make it. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every